Hello, today we are going to learn how to correctly fill out a cash deposit challan and a check deposit challan at a bank. These forms are crucial for depositing money into your account, and it's important to fill them out correctly to ensure your deposit is processed smoothly. Filling out a cash deposit challan. Start by writing the date on both the bank copy and the customer's counterfoil. Next, enter the account number and the account holder's name clearly. Now, detail the cash notes you're depositing. Write down the note denomination and the number of notes for each denomination. Calculate the total amount. Write it in numbers and then in words. Finally, sign the challan. Do this on both the bank's copy and your counterfoil, depositing the cash. The cashier will check the genuineness of the cash. Once verified, they'll give you back the counterfoil, stamped with cash received, along with the date. In some cases, you might receive a digital receipt with the deposit date and time. Filling out a check deposit challan. When depositing a check, start again by writing the date on both parts of the challan. Enter your name, account number, the check number, and the bank details of the check issuer. Write the amount of the check, both in numbers and words. Sign the challan, ensuring it's done on both the bank's copy and the counterfoil. Depositing the check. The bank teller will take your check and challan. After checking, they'll return the counterfoil to you, stamped with an acknowledgement and subject to clearance along with the date. Closing. Remember, filling out these challans accurately is vital for a smooth transaction. Always double check your details before submitting them to the bank.
Using a cash deposit machine. For a quicker deposit, you can use a cash deposit machine. Simply enter your account number or insert your ATM card, follow the prompts to specify the account you're depositing to, and insert the cash. The machine counts the cash automatically and displays the total amount. Verify the amount and confirm the transaction. The machine will then issue a receipt with the deposit details. Thank you for watching.